Welcome, I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on cell phone use at work. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. When you are on your own time, it is completely up to you to decide how often you will use your cell phone. However, on company time, spending time on your cell phone while you should be working will not only slow your work progress, but could possibly endanger yourself or others. This lesson will cover safety concerns while using a cell phone, emergency procedures, and safe work practices. Even though cell phones can be dangerous, there is a right time and place to use them. Employees should have their phones available at all times in case of an emergency. Always keep your cell phone charged. Store useful phone numbers in case you have to contact a superior unexpectedly. Know who to contact in case of an emergency. Be sure you know how to properly use your phone before an emergency happens. If your job requires you to use a cell phone, there should be no personal phone use, with the only exception being during breaks. Cell phones may take your attention away from work and reduce your ability to concentrate. If productivity is affected, your employer will be forced to take disciplinary action. To avoid this, we encourage you to know your company's cell phone policy. Turn your cell phone off or on silent while at work. Keep your cell phone out of sight during work hours. Step away from the workspace if you must take an emergency call. Distinguish what constitutes an emergency with your employer if necessary.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.